Hey, welcome back, everybody. Today I'm back on this loss that I came to a couple days ago, last week sometime. I came to this job. It's where I detach a dishwasher, and there was some damage behind the wall. And the insurance company wanted to go over some things with the homeowners, so kind of put the job on hold for about 4 days. But I'm back out here now, and what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to cut out that section of wall behind that dishwasher. So I'm going to take you along so you guys can follow me and take a look and see how I cut this wall behind this dishwasher and clean everything out. So let's go inside and let's get it going. As mentioned before, we're back out here on this job. This is where I disconnected the dishwasher, and there was some damage behind the dishwasher. And like I said before, they had to do an interview between the insurance company and the homeowner before we could get started. So it kind of delayed the job for a few days. All right, so I'm finally back out here on this job. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut out the drywall behind this dishwasher. So let me set you up on a tripod, and we'll go ahead and take care of that now. Alright, I got you set up at this angle right now. I'll move it if I need to change it around. But for right now, because you know, it's kind of small, cramped in that little area, so trying to get the camera in there and my big ass is going to be a job within itself. So basically you're going to be looking at my butt while I'm in there, but you get the gist of what I'm going to have to do. But before I get started, let me go ahead and document everything and get it on. I'm not just looking at my butt. How that works. We'll figure it out. Alright, so I'm gonna get you in right there, and then I'm gonna just start cutting from here. That's all the demo that I need to do. So it's a matter of getting the dishwasher back in, and then we'll send the repairs crew to come out and they'll fix the drywall and everything. Alright, everything's put back together, so pretty much done for here for now. Still have an air scrubber here and dehumidifier. Alright, so I'm done with this one. Didn't take me too long, so it wasn't that bad. Alright, you guys. Today is the so Christmas is in a couple days. So it's gonna be a weird Christmas schedule that I got going here. But hey, it's the nature of the beast. It's how it works. And I'm all good with it. Alright, you guys, but this here is just a short video, just showing you that I came back to this job just to cut out this wall behind this dishwasher, and that is now done. So pretty much it. Alright, you guys, I'll catch you on the next one, and I'm out.